Today we are creating a spiralizer on Scratch. Don't forget to subscribe to this page. Promise you get more enriching videos from me. Subscribe to my YouTube page, like my videos, share among your friends, and then keep checking here for more tutorials on Scratch. Okay, thank you. So we'll start immediately creating a spiralizer. I would select a backdrop. Let's select a backdrop. Let's select stars. Got it here, stars. Select stars. Delete the cat sprite. Delete the cat sprite. Bring up a clone. A clone. No, a ball, sorry. A ball. Okay. Let it be. Let's put it at the center. Adjust the size to 15. It's smaller. Let's make it, yeah, let's make it 30. 30 is not bad. Fine. So we want a case where the ball will create a clone of itself, and then it will draw lines on the screen while doing that. A Spiralizer is a device used to um, um, greater fruits. For instance, you have fruits, you want to cut them into small pieces without using a knife. You put that in a Spiralizer, it rolls, and then the fruit, you see the fruit coming out in small, small bits. So we want to mimic that in this tutorial. So the first thing is when green flag is clicked, click on the vent block. Then set the size. We want to set the size of the ball to 30%. Although we've done that here already, but let's still do that in our code. Set size to 30%. Okay. Ensure that it starts from the center, even if peradventure your ball is here. Let's see, click on your motion. Go to the go to 0, 0. So let me click on the green flag. Beautiful. Now the want to draw some lines while the balls are while the ball is duplicated, kind of. Okay, so let's click on extension, and then you select pen. Yeah, it will, okay. The next thing is bring up erase all. That's to ensure there's nothing on the page, there's no line there, no previous line. Now you set the pen color to what you want. What color is good for us? And let's make it red. Let's set the pen size to, let's see, set pen size to 1. It's not bad. Okay. Then it's time for the pen to write. So set, now select pen down. Beautiful. Let's see what happens. Can't find anything yet. It's not doing anything yet. Okay, fine. Let's stop it. Go to the forever block, control, bring that up here. Then create a clone. That means duplicate myself. Create a clone of myself. Come in. Click on your control, scroll down, look at it here, create clone of myself. Good. Now, let's see what happens now. Nothing happening. Okay. I want to try something. Let's change the size here to the normal size 100. Let's see what happens when we click on the green flag. Click on the green flag, automatically changes to 30. So I don't even need to change it to 30 because I've added it to the code. And also, it takes it to the center position because of the code I have here. Now, create code of myself, that's fine, but we need to bring in a code that will tell us in what direction. So click on motion, turn 10 degrees. Let's see. Then turn 15 degrees. Let's see. Stop. Start. Let's see. Okay, nothing yet. That's fine. You can see it is rolling, rotating, but nothing is done yet. Now, click on your control. Click on your event, sorry. See when. See that all here. Okay, we are looking for when I start as a clone. Let's see. Okay, if it's not here, let's go to our control. When I start as a clone, yes, it's in your control. Look at it here. When I start as a clone, what should happen forever? Go to your forever block. In the forever block, what should happen? Move 2 steps. Let's see. Move 2 steps. Now, let's see what will happen. 2. Click on the red. Click on this. See, it's moving already. So something has started already. But we still have more things to do. We don't want the clone. So we don't want the balls, the little balls, to be found on the edges of the wall of our stage. So the next thing is, okay, I want to add something to this other code, the first one we did. Okay. Click on looks. I want the look to change. I want the balls, the colors of the ball to change from red to blue and all that. So I'll click on next costume. I'll bring that in here. Take note, look at where I'm putting it. Right here. So let's try it again. Good. We have different colors now. Okay. So we're going to set color effect to 2. Click on your looks. Set color, scroll down. Set color effect to. It won't really have a significant change, but let's have it there. I'll change it to 15. Stop it. Try again. Nothing serious. Okay. The next thing is what happens if once if it's touching the edge, something should happen. We don't want it to stay across the edge on the edges. Now let's go to if. Go to control. If, bring that in here. Go to sensing, touching edge. Let's see. Touching mouse pointer. Touching edge. Now change the mouse pointer to edge. What should happen? Okay, we're going to try some things. Let's go to motion. Please, children, I want you to be patient while doing this work. Let's see. Let's use the bounce. This is not what I want to use, but let's see what this will give to us. Good. Green. See, it changes. Something will happen. Okay, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at this. But this is not what we want to get. But this is just an addition for you. So I don't want this. I'm going to change it to if touching edge. I'll click on the stop. At some point, it will get too crowded on the screen and look like it won't look so attractive. So I'll stop. I'll go straight to control. Yeah. Before I do that, bring out the if on edge bounds. I'll come here, delete clone. Click on the green flag. And look at this. Depending on what you want, for this project, you use the delete clone. But if you prefer, if you enjoy the other one we did together, whereby I selected if on edge bounds, that's fine. It's okay. So we've come to the end of this project. Do this for me. Like my page, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share amongst your friends, and I'll drop a number in case you want to chat me up for 1 or 2 assistance, or you drop that in your comments. I wouldn't mind dropping my WhatsApp contact here. Thank you very much.